Sandvik Rebuild Solutions. Your productivity is our priority. That's why we develop innovative solutions that boost performance, increase safety, and decrease environmental impact, like our Sandvik Rebuild Solutions. Scheduling rebuild strategically through your equipment's operational lifetime preserves productivity, extends operational life, and reduces running costs. Take this rundown LH307 machine in China. It was rebuilt according to the Sandvik Reborn concept. Sandvik Reborn is a planned, full-scope rebuild that uses pre-assembled kits to optimize throughput time and minimize production losses. It is a great way to upgrade your equipment, including the latest engine emission technologies. It creates cost savings from less fuel use, lower pollution, and reduced ventilation needs, while bringing connectivity to your unit with the onboard knowledge box that collects, processes, and transfers data into the My Sandvik digital services. The certified Sandvik Reborn solution offers an as-new warranty and updated documentation. Sandvik Reborn, supporting sustainability. Now your machine can work at its full potential.